Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach. I haven't done these in a while, and I realized I only have a couple of episodes left before I run out, so decided to get recording a couple more and get back on the train, so to speak. And I've got a whole list of things over on my other screen here that I could work on. Like I said, I got lots of material to do. But the first thing I was going to do is this new feature idea for rocks, but I got sidetracked. And I got sidetracked because I updated Visual Studio 2019 Preview and .NET Core Preview, 3.0 preview version, I think a bunch of things came in. And I said, well, what I was going to do is take my branch that has all this C# 8 stuff in it and just merge it in and just go all in, because right now it's, what day is it? It's, July 17th, and .NET Core 3 is scheduled to release sometime in September. So I got about approximately 2 months left. At this point, all in, there's no reason to not do this. Okay. So that being said, I was going to commit any outstanding changes I still had locally if I did, merge the branch in, and be done. So I ran all my tests, and I became really sad. Okay. Because I've got 263 failed tests. And as I started looking through them, let's actually go to handle one action. Where is that here? Okay, so most of them seem to be of this compilation exception. So what I'm guessing is happening is that there's been some new rules, some new things that have kicked in around the nullable reference types feature. So got to figure out why. So let's go here, debug, great. Let's say run this test under the debugger, and let's see what's going on. What I'm probably going to have to do is also do the whole dance of making this create the file, debug into it, or at least so I can save the file. But for now, let's just go in. And I have not done any preparation on this whatsoever, so I have no idea what kind of rabbit hole I'm going to be falling into at this point. Okay. Let's see. Let's see what we can see. To diagnostics. Dereference of a possibly null reference. Okay, let's come over here to locals. Diagnostics. Copy those. Go into my favorite editor. Close. And these are the things I was thinking of for ideas. Okay, so we got that. And as I suspected, come on. The heck? Huh. Oh, I was trying to remove all breakpoints, not stop debugging. I was like, what am I doing wrong? All right. So, oh God, Dell, would you just... Annoying. Annoying. Annoying UIs are annoying. Okay. So, we're going to want to come back to my mic a little bit. Come back here. You know, again, if you... This is kind of always the challenge for me. Because if I don't, code in a while, or code in this, then it becomes oh yeah, that's right. I don't need to do this, right? Except I need a, yeah. Okay. Let's run this again. And we will go into the file and see what it's being picky about. Okay, let's come over here. And let's go in here. And I should, yep, okay. Hit it with Notepad. And I mean, I'm guessing it's got to be exactly the same diagnostics as before. 50. Are those the same line numbers? No, they weren't. Huh. We'll just grab them again and make sure that we're... Okay, I'm not sure what I did there, but anyway, let's come back over here. 57. So this looks like it's with the event handlers, if I'm seeing this right. Oh, you know what? I bet get field, or more point, get value, or one of these, or both of these is probably saying I could be null. Dereference of a possibly null reference type. What they need to do with these things is say where or what or how, because you don't know. You just by looking at this, I mean, yeah, I can look at the line of code, but and, you know, how does this help me? So let's stop. Let's actually see if, can I open that file? Rocks, tests, bin, debug, crap. It's still there, yeah, because if I stop it, it goes there. So right here is where it's saying the problem is. You know, I would hope by this time that they actually have the IntelliSense to tell you, hey, this could be returning a nullable. Because otherwise, right now, if I do like an F12 on this, it just says field info. And in field info, if I say get me the value, well, it just says object. So I don't know. I mean, I guess I'm guessing something happened with these. Wait a minute. Let me go back here and say. So 5733. Where are we? 57. Could this type be a? By the way, I hope you're not hearing the music in the background. My son's room, one of my son's rooms is right above my office, and he's got his music playing. Hopefully it's not going to be that loud. If it is, oh well. I might have to tell him to stop. So, could get type possibly return a null, and that could as well. But again, I don't know, because dereference of a possibly null reference. Converting null literal or possible null value to non-nullable type. You need to work with me. Okay, what I'm going to do is let's copy this. Because I don't think... Okay, that was a bad idea. But what I just did shouldn't be... Like I'm saying, okay, if I'm here... Let's come up, come on. It really shouldn't matter. Let's say like public class X void foo RT is equal to this like a type. Oh, would you shut up? Happy now? God. Too many squiggles. Too many schmears. Alright. So. Now we say rf is equal to t. We don't care if this really exists. System.reflection. Okay. So let's get field do. So your field info. And then we say rv is the value for that. Get value. Ooh, what's the star? Oh, that's right. They integrated IntelliCode into this. Very good. So I'm saying get the value of this. And then we're going to say it's a delegate, right? So we're going to say var d is equal to multicast delegate of v. That's right, all these little errors that show up because reasons. Okay. Let's close those down. What are the warnings? Those are sketchpad warnings. That's okay. So I'm not seeing language. Yeah. Oh, wait. Just close it. I'm not seeing what the problem is. Because it's okay there. And this, okay, this got introduced with the latest bits. So why when I put it in here, it's okay, but not when I compile it? This is a confusing one. Source Roslyn.io. Let's try that. Source Roslyn.io. Type. No, object. Get type. Too many get types. Object. Oh, not the core CLR one. I can never remember what that is. Source.net. Sure. Class object. Sure. Let's find. Get type. Okay, well that ain't it, because it's... Okay, so that ain't it. But then if I say get field... Huh? What the heck? Why is this harder than it should be? This is on type. Is it smart enough to go if I say system reflection type? This needs some love, because this is just too hard to try to find what you're looking for. God, all I want is a type. No. Okay, go back. Come on, object. There's got to be a get field here. Yep. Okay, so my suspicions were correct, is that it's actually returning a possible null. So that's one of them. Okay. Let's come over here, and let's say that I'm trying to remember. Go away. Go away. I'm trying to remember if this is done in such a way that I'm always guaranteed to raise the event. I guess technically to the documentation. What do I do? I should take that core support thing out, because that is just so. Okay, so if I have an event, I say raises name of an event. Raises. So I think, can I be, here's a question. Is it okay for me to say that whenever I, well, you know what? Yeah, let's get rid of that. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Let's come back over here. It's just gotta be that. Where is this being? Okay. The thing by looking at my documentation is that I don't think raises, I don't think I look to do a check to say, is that actually true? Because the only thing I can do is find the event by name. So it is possible that you could give me a bad one. But you know what? I don't think I should really care. In other words, I think it's okay if I say, you know what comes out of here better be non-null. Because if it isn't, then somebody did something really bad. And maybe I could handle the ramifications of that later. Okay, so that's that one. Let's come over here, and again, if we go to field info, we're trying to find get value from this. You suck. Maybe it's a member. Yeah, and get value also. So what I think I can do, if I come back to my little... Go away. So if I say field bang, value bang, it doesn't really... And again, I'm not sure why it doesn't happen here. There's something that my brain's not clicking on, but such is life. Okay. So let's get rid of this. So it's got to be in the templates, right? Of course it wouldn't be. Somewhere. What? No. CS. Oh, it's in the class template. Because of course it is. God, would you not? Why does it keep... I don't want it. Deep cleansing breaths. Okay. So the get field will get a bang. And this will get a bang. And then in my tests, because I'm a good testing person, I should have in class templates. I have a test. Oops. Yeah, I don't. Wow, I actually am missing a fair amount of these, don't I? Yeah, I don't have one for your class with obsolete suppression. So, you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do today, boys and girls? We are going to actually... well, okay. So, yeah, what I'm realizing here is I can kind of get what I'm getting at here, which is that it's just giving you a string. So what could I actually do with this? And do I actually have... Yeah. I do have a test for that one. That's probably why I don't do this, because what am I going to test? That is giving out a string that I expect it to be? I mean, it's either doing it or it's not. In some ways, this should just be a constant. I don't know why I'm actually doing this as a method. I'm not trying to be consistent, I guess. Okay, so, well, now... let's run all the tests, see what happens. Better. Okay, that is better. Okay. So we were from 250 something down to 8. And I'm guessing what's still happening... Oh God, no. No. Run away. Well, that's interesting. Ooh. Why? Yeah, that's a little disconcerting. I'm wondering if that's... God, Dell, you suck. Okay, so this is a intelligent cast. It is a igeneric int. What's coming out is an igeneric int. Question mark. Now that's right, but what the test is thinking is that it's coming and saying the int is a question mark. That's weird. Okay, so what I'm going to do is record another episode because we're closer. And now I want to figure out all the bugs, the errors first, other than the one that's doing the assembly generation one. Because I'm probably still going to have ones in there, but if I clean these up, I got the feeling they're going to fix some of the ones that are in the big one. So that's all for this episode. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.